Now that we went over all the basic shots of the game, I think you are ready to play. But before that, you should be aware of a couple of game rules.
Officially, the way you decide who serves first needs to be done this way. Heads or tails?
Tails.
Tails. You win.
However, you can do this way too. Right or left? Did you pick right? You can serve.
Matches are typically played best out of 3 games. A game shall be won by the player first scoring 11 points. If the score gets to a 10-10 tie, you must win by 2 points. Alternate serves every 2 points, and if that tie happens, alternate serves every point.
Cheater!
Most importantly, be a good sport.